Hi, today I will show you how to print out a list of students that are in each grade in your school. This will be very handy to hand out to each teacher so that they will know which student is in their class. Let's get started. In Admire, click the Report Wizard button. You can also access the Report Wizard by clicking on Reports, Report Wizard. In Step 1, choose Run Report. Now let's choose our report for the wizard to generate. Click the magnifying glass to bring up the smart search box. Let's search for class. I will select student list by class, teachers' names, as I want my list to have the Rebbe's name at the top of each sheet. Click OK. Now we need to tell Admire to limit the names on the list to a specific period, as we don't want to generate every student that ever was in our school in our report. Using Step 3, let's choose a filter to narrow down the selection. In most cases, the filter Current Registration will be the most practical filter, as Admire will cultivate the student data from only students currently registered in the school. However, since I want to filter by term, I will instead search for that filter using the smart search box. Click on the magnifying glass and type term. Select by term and click OK. Let's name our report in Step 4. This is not a requirement, but it will add the title to every report, which makes it look neat and professional. I will call mine Tash Bar of Lakewood 5783. Click Preview. Since we selected the filter by term, a pop-up menu will show up to select the term we want to filter by. Let's select Boys 2014 to 2015 and click OK. Our preview will now load. As we can see, each sheet will have the title, and each class students are neatly arranged in the report with the teacher's name on top of the page. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial and it helped you accomplish this task. Please like and subscribe to our channel to stay up to date for more Admire content. Thank you for watching.